Hello friends, welcome to my channel again. In my previous tutorial, I installed Node.js on my computer, and for doing this, we have to download Node.js from its official website and then run the installer and follow the commands that is necessary to install your Node.js properly on your computer. But after installing Node.js, these are recommended steps that you need to restart your computer. You won't be able to run Node.js until you restart your computer. So, to make sure you have Node and npm installed by running simple commands to see what version of each is installed and to run a simple test program. So first, you need to test the nodes. Which version of test node is installed on your computer? For this process, then you need to go on command prompt in your computer. For this, you need to go to start and type cmd. This is a cmd command line interface. So we have to click on that. Here, to see if node is installed, we have opened Windows command prompt and type node-v. This would print a version number, so you will see something that you have node version. Like we have to type node space v. This command is used to check which version is installed on your computer. Here, when we type this command on my computer, then it will reply by version number that is of Node.js in my computer. So current version is version 8.11.2. But you need to check one more thing, that is you need to check test npm. To see if npm is installed, type another command that will give you the version number of npm. For this, you need to type a command that is npm -v. This command tells you the version of npm is installed on your computer. So press enter. Yes. When you type this command, computer will show you which version installed of npm in your computer. So that are the required steps to check Node.js is installed on your computer or not. If your computer is not replying with the version, then you had some mistakes in installing the Node.js. So follow the steps and enjoy your development with Node.js. Thanks and thank you for liking my video.